Okay, guys, so we're at the Kankakee Haunted Factory doing some airsoft. Sadly, I only got 6 minutes of footage, so I decided not to edit it and just let it all play. Unfortunately, the only footage I got exposed two cheaters in a row, but don't let that make you not want to try this place. It is amazing, and I had a fantastic time, and I will be back again very soon.
You pink? No band. Haha, enemy. You did. No way, that got you, bro. 15 foot. It's behind you, homie. There's no way. That got you. That got you. You gonna call dead? Homie, you a cheater. I know I got you, come on. You a cheater, bro, call it. I've got you 4 times. Yeah, thank you. How did I not get you? Tag, no tag.
Okay, so I end up running out of footage looking for this guy, but I find him and kill him, and he ends up just claiming his kill. Again, this is an awesome spot to play. I definitely suggest checking it out. Sadly, my camera ran out of storage and kept overheating, so this is the only footage that I was able to get. But I will be there again next weekend to get better footage. Stay tuned for the next one so you can see what this place is really about. I will be running my fully built Strike Industries HPA.